What is going on? So, I have a little project today. Again, like always, if you are one of the people that follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this picture the other day that I posted of this little item I picked up at Academy off the clearance rack. So, I'm going to go ahead and show you what it is, and then we'll get started. And as you can see, it does involve a black rifle. So, I picked up a dust cover to replace this generic dust cover on my 300 blackout. Let's see if I can go ahead and get this out here. And it would be an American flag dust cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up and we'll start tearing this little contraption down and get this new dust cover installed. Alright, so I've got my tools ready that I think I'm going to need for the project. Pliers over there, dust cover, and some tape. And weapon has been safety checked, so all you safety Nazis. First thing I'm going to do, I'm not too worried about the finish. This is my pig gun, and it does get tossed around in the woods, so it does not have a perfect finish. But just to show you what to do in case if you want to do this and you don't want to mar your gun, just want to get some tape down here, because we're not going to do this the long way of pulling the barrel nut and all that off, so no reason to. Now, you'll have to be careful with, I've heard that these little pins, these little C-clips are easy to break. So, of course, if your kit doesn't come with all the hardware, this kit comes with everything. It's got all my C-clips and a focus. It's got everything in it, so I'm not too worried if those break, but gotta love lazy people who don't want to get out of the car and knock on the door. Go ahead and get everything laid out. If I'm going to use it all, I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and get it out. So it goes off to the side. Pin, set it off to the side. Workbench is a little dirty, so I set it on a rag. Alright, so we're going to start by pulling off this little seat clamp here and rotate it around to where we can get to it. I'm going to use 2 blunt tip drivers to push on either side. And of course, this one did exactly like people said, and it broke. But that's why I got spares. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to work this pin out here. This is where a pair of pliers will come in handy. You can grab and work it out. Once you get a little more than halfway, you'll be able to get your spring out. Switch over to a little bit better gripping. Kids are playing with the new puppy inside, so it's a little noisy. Go ahead and get our spring out of the way. And just get this slid out just a little bit more so we can work this dust cover off. Just like so. I'll take that to the side. Grab our brand new fresh America flag one. Take a chance to clean up right here. And we're just going to slide it on. And then we're going to work this pin back in. You don't want to go all the way. You want to get to the point where you can get your spring on. And the spring does need to be tensioned. So that's the kind of difficult part. Spring's going to rest right in there. And that pin all the way through. And then get everything realigned. Finish getting it in. And you push it through until you see your groove for your clamp to go in. And go ahead and grab a brand new C-clip. And you're just going to take your little C-clip. And you're going to insert it back into the little groove. And just like that. Just like that, you're done. Go ahead and remove the tape. Drop the bolt. Make sure it functions like it should. Adds a nice little personal touch. Makes it stand out. So I think it was well worth the $9.98 I paid for it. So that would be how you swap out the dust cover on your AR. So thanks for stopping by and watching the video, and have a great day.